I'm Deepthi from Siddhartha Law College. Today, I deem it an honor for having got a chance to speak on this stage. I'm going to speak about the concept relevance of Gandhianism in the present society. Einstein, a renowned scientist, while speaking about Gandhi says, generations to come, it may be, will scarce believe that such a man as this ever, in flesh and blood, walked upon the earth. Not only him, many great leaders who led freedom movements across the world, like Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, and Aung San Suu Kyi, were inspired by Gandhi. Because Gandhian ideals are relevant not only to this society, but any society across the world and to any period of time. Now I would like to bring to your notice which principles of which you are all aware of. I would like to reiterate them. The principles of Gandhi are ahimsa. This is a famous quote of Gandhi which goes like this: an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. This concept is not new to our Indians because in Sanskrit there is a sloka which says ahimso paramo dharma, which means non-violence is the ultimate duty of a person. Even in Islam, it is believed that to help one is to help the whole mankind, and to harm one is to harm the whole mankind. This very principle is advocated by Gandhi and implemented by him in his struggles. This is relevant even today, where some people of the society make it their ambition that they have to create social unrest. Another principle which I would like to say is Satyagraha. Satyagraha is based on the concept of firmly holding on to the truth. It means not retaliating and at the same time not submitting, in spite of facing the brunt of the other. This is the very principle we see in the Gandhian struggle from the very beginning of the Indian independence movements. Even today, Satyagraha is used by people when they express their dissent on the government policies. There may be cases where people resort to violence because violence is an easy option. It's out of impulse and it's very provocative. But still, there are many struggles in this country, in this state, which we see every day, which are based on the principle of Satyagraha. Another concept advocated by Gandhi is Swaraj. Swaraj means self-rule. He advocated this principle in 3 different stages. First, I would like to bring to your notice at the level of person. Gandhi says, every person has power in him and he can use it at any time. And in a state which has achieved Swaraj, everyone is his own ruler. But the power should be used in such a way that it is never a hindrance to the other person. And he also advocated this principle at the level of village. This 73rd and 74th amendments as to Panchayat Raj system are in furtherance of this principle of Gandhi. He believes that villages should be made independent and they should be made capable of taking their own decisions. When a person is ruling himself and a village is ruling itself and then the country rules itself, the very soul of this principle is the concept of Swadeshi. Swadeshi means producing the goods required for one's growth by the same country. We see the schemes which are being introduced by the central government like Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India, which are focused on self-sufficiency. The concept of Swadeshi is reflected in these schemes. There are many concepts advocated by Gandhi like cleanliness, which is the very motto of Swachh Bharat campaign, women empowerment, sustainable development, which we see in the quote like, nature is for man's need and not for his greed. Finally, I would like to conclude that Gandhi says, be the change you wish to see in the world. We knowingly or unknowingly have developed this attitude of he is not good, she is not good, so I need not be good. Let us try hard to overcome this indifference attitude and be a better person. We may not create an impact overnight, all of a sudden, but again, Gandhi gives advice on this. He says these words, good travels at snail's pace, natta. It's slow. You can't see it. Non-violence is a tree of slow growth. It grows imperceptibly, but surely. So let's be patient and try hard and never lose faith in these ideals and be a better person, thereby doing our share to make a better society. Thank you and have a nice day.